Welcome back! Today we are making carrot cake. This is an easy and simple recipe that anyone can do, and it's just in time for Thanksgiving. For this recipe you're going to need 1 box of yellow cake mix, 4 eggs, half a cup of oil, 3 cups of grated carrots, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. First, combine your cake mix, eggs, oil, carrots, nuts, and cinnamon into your mixing bowl. Then, beat the mixture until it's well combined. Next, you want to pour your batter into 2 9-inch round pans. Make sure to make the cakes even. Then, pop it into the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees. While the cake is baking, you can start to make your cream cheese frosting. Start by mixing together your cream cheese, butter, and vanilla extract. Beat at low speeds until it becomes creamy, and don't forget to slowly add in your powdered sugar until it looks smooth. Once your cake is done, let it cool before frosting. And there you have it, a delicious carrot cake. Please let us know how you like this cake in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you!